Hello everyone, you're welcome to Mamo Exam Prep Up, your ultimate destination for top-notch exam preparation in math. Today I'll be showing you how to multiply the number with 5 with speed and accuracy. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Alright, as you can see, we are multiplying 5, 0 times 5, 1 times 5, 2 times 5, and I've been able to circle all the odd numbers with red. So when you see 1 times 5 on the board, it means 1 is an odd number. 3 times 5, 3 is an odd number. 5 times 5, 5 is an odd number. So what we are going to do is, any number that is odd must end with 5. So 0 times 5 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. Now from this, I'm going to divide this by 2. 5 times 2, if I divide 2 by 2 is 1. So because 2 is not an odd number, you end it with 0. Now 3 times 5. If I divide 3 by 2 is 1. The one that remains will make it a 5. Now 4 times 5. If I divide 4 by 2 is 2. There is no remainder, so we'll have it as 20. 5 times 5. If I divide 5 by 2 is 2. The one that remains becomes a 5. 6 times 5. If I divide 6 by 2 is 3. Since this is an even number, so end it with 0. Alright, for the next set of numbers, we have 7 times 5, 8 times 5, and so on to 13. So, now for the 7, if I divide the 7 by 2, it's 3. Remainder 1. That one becomes a 5. Also, 7 is an odd number. 8 times 5. Divide the 8 by 2, we have 4. There is no remainder, so end it with a 0. 9 times 5. Divide 9 by 5 is 4. 1 remains. 9 is an odd number, so it ends with 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. There is no remainder, so 0. 11 divided by 2 is 5. There is a remainder of 1, is an odd number, so end it with 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. There is no remainder, so end it with 0. 13 divided by 2 is 6. There is a remainder of 1 since it's an odd number, so end it with 5. Alright, even faster than a calculator, we are going to multiply these numbers by 5 without wasting much of our time and getting the answer correctly with speed and accuracy. So for the first one, 8,462 times 5. I have that. We are going to divide all this by 2 because it's an even number, because it ends with 2. So 2 divided by 8 is 4. 2 divided by 4 is 2. 2 divided by 6 is 3. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Remember the rule, if it ends with an even number, you end it with 0. So this is your answer. Alright, for the next one, is also an even number because it ends with 6. So I'm going to divide all by 2. 2 divide 4 here is a 2. 2 divide 2 is 1. 2 divide 4 is 2. 2 divide 6 is 3. 2 divide 8 is 4. 4. 2 divide 6 is 3. We are going to cover it with 0, so that is the answer. For the last one, yes, we are going to quickly divide it. We have a very large number here. So we are going to start by dividing the last number by 2. Of course, it ends with 8, so it's an even number. So 2 divided this is 1. 2 divided this is 1. 2 divided 4 is 2. 2 divided 6 is 3. 2 divided 6 is 3. 2 divided 4 is 2. 2 divided 8 is 4. 2 divided 4 is 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. 2 divided 8 is 4. Since it's an even number, we're going to cover it with 0. So that is our final answer. So check it out with your calculator and confirm if these answers are correct.